You know, where I fall back and then she catches me, right? You know what I mean? They're active. Do something that's not the work that you're doing. Do something social. Do something fun. These things build relationships, and relationships build trust. Okay? So when I ask you for specific, I mean something like that. You say, oh, let's have a pizza, dinner, rooftop dinner. Okay? I was going to say pizza. I don't know if people like pizza, but do a rooftop dinner or something. You just do something different. That's really helpful. Number two, how do I create conflict of ideas? Their hands, quickly. Conflict of ideas.
Write like an activity, like everyone writes it down on a paper.
Writes them down on paper. Excellent. Another one. You have the microphone. When you have the microphone, you can go. When you have the microphone, yeah.
During brainstorming and stuff, it will be better to avoid comments and criticizing until the end, because the idea will get away from the person.
Good. And what was the brainstorming activity you learned? 6 thinking hats. And the 6 thinking hats, that was exactly what we did. There was only one hat that began to criticize, right? There was a hat about weaknesses and risks. Do you remember that hat? What color hat was that? The black hat. Yeah. But we put that at the very end. First tell me everything that's good about it. Just give me alternatives. No criticizing. Just write them down, write them down. I can't talk. Write them down. That's what you were doing. Okay? So learning to push criticism to one side and just put down the ideas before you evaluate is one thing. You had another comment?
Actually, I wanted to give an example of some of the ideas from one of the groups that I saw yesterday. They were asking one question, and every team member would pass a bottle of water with a microphone and say his idea. So it gives more confidence to the member to say his ideas.
Yeah.
In a fun way.
Excellent. There was a group right here.
It's group one, actually.
Group one was here, and they were passing my mobile phone around. It wasn't mine, actually, but they were passing it around, and that was whoever had it was the speaker. Is that right? Bottle of water was